Hi everyone, this week we are talking about the 2024 Genesis G70 sedan. Prices for this car start right around $41,500 for the entry-level model. This one is the 3.3T all-wheel drive model and checks in at the top end of the spectrum at $58,000. So let's hop inside and see what the Genesis G70 is all about. Rolling into 2024, the G70 is enhanced with a new 2.5T powertrain, Brembo braking system, and updated interior details. It's available with your choice of two powertrains, rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, and an optional Sport Prestige package. Standard is the new 2.5-liter turbocharged inline four-cylinder that produces 300 horsepower, which offers an increase of more than 48 horsepower over the previous 2-liter. I spent my time in the more powerful all-wheel drive 3.3T G70 that delivers 368 horsepower and 376 pound-feet of torque, courtesy of a twin-turbocharged 3.3-liter V6. It had a near-perfect blend of luxury refinement and performance qualities. It was powerful enough to send it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.6 seconds, approximately a second faster than the 2.5T model. The V6 is buttery smooth as it shifts through its 8-speed transmission. It's engaging and connected to the pavement with direct steering. It delivers a quiet and smooth ride as well, with a subtle exhaust groan when you press hard on the pedal. All models have also been upgraded with the new Brembo brakes that improve the one area many critiqued the G70 on in the past. It feels sophisticated and well poised for an all-around positive driving experience. When it arrived with a full 15.8-gallon tank, the G70 offers a driving range of around 335 miles. EPA estimates are 20 miles per gallon combined on the 3.3T, and after a week of primarily suburban driving, I averaged right around 17 to 18 miles per gallon. The G70 received a facelift for the 2022 model year that has generally carried on since. For 2024, a new emblem is intricately detailed and two new exterior colors are added that include Kawa Blue and this Vatna Gray. The proportions are spot on with minimal overhangs, a wide stance, and sleek roofline. Up front, the split two-line LED lighting carries on as a Genesis signature, along with the large shield grille. The side profile is highlighted by a strong character line that runs across the top of the doors, trim accent in the lower front fender, a softly curved roofline, and detailing from the back that wraps around. The split LED lighting design continues in the back with Genesis spelled across the trunk, dual oval exhausts, and reverse lights at the bottom of the bumper. There are 11 different colors available and either 19-inch machined dark gray wheels on the non-sport models or 19-inch dark sputtering wheels on the sport models. Hopping inside, my test model was striking with its two-tone interior of obsidian black and Sevilla red. Drivers will face an 8-inch HD color digital cluster, and sitting atop the dash is a 10.25-inch infotainment display that integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but a cord is required. It features a mix of materials with soft touch leather, silver accents, and contrast stitching throughout. A traditional gear selector sits in the center console with a detailed knob in front of it to select various drive modes. It's functional and elegant with attention to detail throughout. A wireless device charging tray and two cup holders are also all within reach. New features for 2024 include a touch-type climate control display and frameless rearview mirror. With seating for 5, the G70 offers comfortable and supportive seats all around. I found the front seats to be very supportive with plenty of head, leg, and shoulder room. Rear seats were a bit more snug, especially with all 3 of my kids in the back. Rear headroom is also tighter with its lower roofline. Synthetic leather and heated and power-adjustable front seats are standard, while genuine Napa leather with ventilated seats is also available. The quilted diamond pattern leather looks and feels exquisite. The G70 comes standard with a hands-free power trunk lid that has a wide opening but reveals a very minimal 10.5 cubic feet of space. Overall, this is an impressive car that holds its own and excels compared to some longtime contenders in the class. It performs extremely well with raw power and precision. The design inside and out pays close attention to detail while still being functional. It's loaded with standard safety features and priced well for the class. If you're in the market for a compact luxury sedan, be sure to check this one out while you can. That's a wrap of my quick take of the 2024 Genesis G70. For the full review, you can visit drivechicago.com or subscribe below for even more automotive content. And give us a follow on our other social channels, including X, Instagram, and Facebook. I'm Jim O'Brill with Drive Chicago. Thanks for watching.